Yo, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I?
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoy the content we present, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube. By subscribing, you will get direct access to our latest videos, the latest content updates, and notifications when our new videos are uploaded. Just click the subscribe button below this video to join our community, and don't miss any exciting content from us. Feel free to click the subscribe button and join us. Thank you for supporting us.
Shaking, you think it's scared cause this life is no haven. Nod your head if you get what I'm saying. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, I can't think straight, need the light. Yo, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, I can't think straight, need the light. I really think I understand this world now. Got my head spinning round in a circle. Everybody laughs like they need a turn up, so they compensate with everything external. I'm trying to throw shade, no way. I'm just trying to find the meaning of life, hey. Let's happiness if you try to live the right way. Forget about what others have and live your life, hey. Be aware of who you are, what you're good at. Take a step forward, see where your foot's at. Stand tall, stand proud, talk loud. Every word out your mouth has purpose now. You just gotta get rid of the bad thoughts. Hating others cause you know that they got it right. Forget that though, you got plenty, you're alive in this life. You got time, go get it. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, I can't think straight, need the light. Oh, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah, all these thoughts keep me up at night.